Hello, young explorers. Today we're going on a journey back in time to discover the amazing story of African-American inventor Thomas W. Stewart and his incredible invention, the improved mop. This might seem like a simple tool, but believe it or not, it made a huge difference in the way people clean their homes and workplaces. Let's dive into the past and see how one smart idea made life easier for millions of people. Thomas W. Stewart was an African-American inventor who lived during the 19th century. While we don't know much about his early life, we do know that he lived in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and worked hard to make life better for people. During his time, African Americans faced many challenges, including racial discrimination and limited opportunities in education and work. Despite these hardships, Stewart had a creative and determined mind that helped him find solutions to everyday problems. Imagine a time when there were no mops. How do you think people cleaned their floors? It was a very difficult job. People had to get down on their hands and knees to scrub floors with rags, brushes, or sponges. This method was tiring, uncomfortable, and took a long time, especially for large spaces like schools, hospitals, and businesses. Since people had to touch the dirty water with their hands, it was unsanitary and could spread germs and diseases. Cleaning was not fun in those days, but Thomas W. Stewart saw this problem and decided to fix it. One of the biggest problems of his time was floor cleaning. Back then, keeping a house or business clean was a tough job, and there weren't many tools to help people do it easily. That's where Stewart's brilliant invention came in. Imagine a time when there were no mops. How do you think people cleaned their floors? It was a very difficult job. People had to get down on their hands and knees to scrub floors with rags, brushes, or sponges. This method was tiring, uncomfortable, and took a long time, especially for large spaces like schools, hospitals, and businesses. Since people had to touch the dirty water with their hands, it was unsanitary and could spread germs and diseases. Cleaning was not fun in those days, but Thomas W. Stewart saw this problem and decided to fix it. Stewart wanted to make floor cleaning faster, easier, and more hygienic. He carefully thought about how he could improve the cleaning process and came up with a brilliant idea. On June 11, 1893, he received U.S. Patent No. 499402 for his improved mop. His design had three important features that made it better than earlier mops. The mop had a clamping device that held the cleaning cloth or yarn in place. This meant that people could easily replace or clean the mop head without touching dirty water. Before Stewart's invention, people had to wring out mops by hand, which was messy and unsanitary. His mop had a lever system that allowed users to squeeze out the dirty water without touching the mop head. The mop's handle had a T-shaped head, making it more stable and easy to use. This kept the mop head secure so it wouldn't fall off while cleaning. This improved design meant that people could clean floors faster with less effort and without getting their hands dirty. It was a big step forward in household and business cleaning. Thomas W. Stewart's improved mop was more than just a cleaning tool. It was an invention that made life easier for millions of people. His design helped people save time, work more efficiently, and keep their homes and workplaces cleaner. Even though Stewart isn't as famous as some other inventors, his creation continues to influence cleaning tools today. His story reminds us that even simple inventions can change the world, and that African-American inventors have made many important contributions to history. So the next time you see a mop, remember the brilliant mind of Thomas W. Stewart, the inventor who made cleaning easier for everyone. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.